a Chevy Aveo.
Okay. Oh wow. All sealed box.
Yeah.
Very different, man. Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High Explicit Audio and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I have 4 K6 Rockville 15s on a VFL audio 4800.1 wired at a half ohm on stock electrical.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay.
I got 1.5 cubes sealed per sub, so there's a sealed box with 6 cubes sealed.
So it's a sealed box.
Yeah.
Wow.
No
okay.
port.
No port. Have you metered it yet?
I metered on 2 with 2 cutouts sealed on 2 holes, and I did a 140.5 on 35 hertz.
Okay. Yeah, so this is added on to
Yeah.
that. Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. All right. And it's all stock electrical, just stock?
All stock, and I got an extra battery behind me.
Okay.
That's rated at 100 amp hours.
All right. Sure, I'd love to hear it, man. What was your name?
Rodney.
Rodney. All right.
do that sometimes?
Yeah. Is it because it's wired down and the voltage?
Since it's wired down to half ohm, it gets really hot fast and it goes into protect.
Oh, okay. Well, I appreciate the demo, man. What was your name again?
Rodney.
Rodney. All right. Did you open the back so I can see the box, just out of curiosity?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
I got some stuff.
Sucks that it goes in protect, but
Yeah,
I mean, hey,
does.
I got to hear it, man. Thank you. Could you open the door? Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
What vehicle is this?
It's a Chevy Aveo.
Okay. Oh, wow. All seal box.
Yeah, all sealed.
Very different, man.
Yeah.
It's being musical though.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Explicit, Drop in Hertz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.